Hey guys, welcome to 4K Blu-ray. Today I'm going to show you Blade 1 and 2 in Steelbook import from Japan. Let's start with the first one. It's in very colorful matte finish. Back cover. Also comes with a postcard. One disc only Blu-ray. Okay, so now let me show you Blade 2. Same thing, all written in Japanese, colorful in matte finish. Back cover. And here's a postcard for Blade 2. Alright guys, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching this video and see you next time.